Hi, welcome to My Success. My Success aims to give you the best personal development advice to help you succeed, so sit back, relax and enjoy the roller coaster. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Blogging, free internet marketing method. It has been a long time since blogging has been practiced. But it is just recently that it has been considered as among the most addicting fads. Many adolescents have resorted to blogging as an outlet for their emotions, some online nook where they can blurt whatever just bugs them or whatever makes them feel elated. Savvy marketers have discovered that blogging is one of the best internet marketing methods that won't cost you a cent. What exactly is blogging? Blog is the widely used term that refers to weblog. Simply, a blog is an online journal. A blog could be set up to no cost at all, and can be used for just for the fun of it or for business reasons. Blogging for your internet business is one surefire way to boost the visibility of your products and services. Here are a few ways to boost your internet advertising with the help of a blog. Make your customers or clients abreast on your site alterations. Your new products and affiliate websites could also be announced through your blog. Keep track of your endeavor objectives and plans through open writing. Your blog content can be easily stored through archives. What could be better than searchable data that could be easily accessed by anybody browsing the internet, right? Air your opinions, advice or reviews on specific services or products that are related to your business. Publishing is a very easy process with blogging. Include links that will bring in backlinks and afterwards improve your ranking on search engines. This could be better executed through putting well-written articles in your website. Associate links could also be included in your blog to earn more extra income. Collect response through the ability of blogs to fetch comments from your blog readers. You are able to learn and improve your products and services through with the feedback from your readers. Connect well with other bloggers. When other bloggers notice that you have something great in your blog, they'll put you in their favorite lists that will automatically link you to their blogs. So, how do you arrange a blog? Here are some of the options you will be able to make use of to capitalize on this fun way to advertise your internet business. Either you load blogging software or let a blogging hosting service do it for you. Host services such as LiveJournal and Blogger.com are the most popular in this field. Those hosts will provide you with easy instructions on how to put up your blog. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Look at the description box below for our best product recommendation. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it very informative. My Success has a vision to help you grow and succeed in all aspects of life. If you would like us to continue creating such videos, please like and share this video and hit the subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon. See you soon. Don't forget to leave a message in the comments section below telling us what type of videos you would like to see.